Why Amber Heard felt less than human during Johnny Depp defamation trial. In an exclusive interview with NBC News, Amber Heard explained why she didn't feel confident that the jury would rule in her favor during the Johnny Depp defamation. Amber Heard is standing by her testimony made during Johnny Depp's trial. Close to 2 weeks after a Virginia jury ruled that Heard was liable of defaming Depp, the Aquaman actress sat down with NBC News' Savannah Guthrie to reflect on a case that captivated much of the world. Every single day, I pass 3, 4, sometimes 6 city blocks lined with people holding signs saying, "Burn the witch. Death to Amber," Heard shared. After 3.5 weeks, I took the stand and saw just a courtroom packed full of Captain Jack Sparrow fans who were vocal, energized. "This is the most humiliating and horrible thing I've ever been through," she added. "I have never felt more removed from my own humanity. I felt less than human." For several days in May, Heard took the stand and testified that Depp physically and psychologically abused. Depp denied the claims before his attorney Camille Vasquez said in closing arguments that Heard took on the role of a lifetime as a domestic abuse survivor. In part 1 of her interview, which aired June 14 on Today, Heard said she had no regrets. "To my dying day, I will stand by every word of my testimony," she said. "I spoke it to power and I paid the price." On June 1, a Virginia jury awarded $10 million to Depp in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Fairfax County Circuit Court Judge Peñas Carte later reduced the punitive damages to $350,000, which is the state's legal limit, making his total damages less than $4 million. Heard's attorney Elaine Breedhoft confirmed on June 2 that the actress plans to appeal. As for Heard's countersuit, the jury awarded the actress $2 million in compensatory damages. When asked if she was feeling confident the day of the verdict, Heard admitted that she wasn't sure what the jury would decide. "I wish I could say yes to that," she told Guthrie. "I want to say yes to you, but it wouldn't be true. Even if you think that I'm lying, you still couldn't look me in the eye and tell that you think on social media." Terry Spin a fair representation. Depp's lawyers previously shut down accusations that the jury's verdict was influenced by social media. "I don't think Terry's any reason to believe that the jurors violated their oath," Depp's attorney Ben Chu said on Today June 8. Vasquez added that although social media is everywhere, the jury was admonished every single night. And they had a tremendous amount of respect for the court and the process, and they were doing the best that they could. As for critics who question why two stars chose to air the highs and lows of their relationship so publicly, Heard understands why they are turned off by the ordeal. "I would not blame the average person for looking at this and how it's been covered and not think that it is Hollywood brats at their worst," she said. "But what people don't understand is that it's actually so much bigger than that.